Hello.
Hello.
I'm Officer Tarver of the Fort Myers Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is, as I'm driving by, she's waving me down saying that you hit her car.
She on the phone the whole time. Ain't nobody call your supervisor too.
I got you.
Call your supervisor.
All right. What do you need a supervisor for?
She going to jail. First and foremost, you're wasting my time. Not only that, I work for the government my goddamn self. So you think that I'm gonna be out here and hit your car?
Why?
It aggravated me, sir, because she came through the goddamn thing. She damn near killed me on Ortiz. Nene, hold on, because I'm talking to the officer.
So just like I said, that's what she said. I'm just trying to figure out exactly what's happening.
That's why I
That's all.
call your supervisor. Pull her ass up.
Before I call supervisor, I just want you to explain to you. When I ask for him to come, he's going to ask me for what? Okay, for the supervisor, because right now I'm investigating a traffic crash.
You ain't investigating a traffic crash, because if you were investigating a traffic crash, it'll be damage to her vehicle and mine.
But
I can't hit you if you coming behind me.
But
first and foremost, how would I hit you if you coming behind me? She got a ladder in her trunk.
That's what she said to me. I'm investigating because I got to find out if it is real.
That's bullshit, and I got something to do. That's why I'm frustrated.
Okay.
Because you playing with a car in traffic. Two young, stupid, dumbass girls could have killed more than just me. I've been here with my damn thing hooked up.
She hit me. That's why I stopped the car. Okay. So give me 1 minute to go figure it out. Let me go figure it out.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, the lady up there. Shush. Sorry. And our guard dog. Oh, yeah. I want to hear the nonsense.
Hello. Can you tell me what happened? Because she's just kind of yelling at me.
Yeah, of course she is. So, we literally just got off of work. We're getting off the highway on 75 on MLK.
Okay.
Obviously, I have a ladder and we're trying to be safe. So I turn left. She starts swerving.
It's a merge.
The merge. You know the merge area?
Yeah.
She literally starts swerving to get around. Like crazy. Then she swerves and like cuts me off. Literally, like I had to stop and brake check and everything.
Okay.
Then we took a picture and we were trying to take a video of what she was doing. She literally was like slowing down because she saw that I was there trying to take video of her. And then I went to go around her. She had more than enough space, sir.
Yes.
And then when, we got to the roundabout and she literally rammed my car and was like, yeah, I got you. And then she tried to drive away.
What side of your car did she hit?
The left side.
See anything?
I was trying to chase her down after she hit me. I don't know, somewhere.
On your side, like your side.
Somewhere on this side.
Can you step out for me and just take a quick look?
Yes. Yep, that's her.
So
That's
the door right there?
Yep.
Okay.
And it's just ridiculous, you know. The fact that people drive
Man,
crazy.
just stay back there while we're still trying to figure it out. Okay.
But while you playing common sense, you don't know where.
Ma'am, you're good. Go sit in the car.
Ain't nobody hit your car. Ain't nobody hit your car.
Go back to your car now.
Can you do me a favor? You guys can get both of your licenses and the registration, so I can do the crash at the very minimum for you, okay?
We're not doing this shit. Go back to your car.
Your supervisor.
I'll call him for you, but you can't.
Thank you, because y'all wasting my time. Somebody hit your car with no damage. That don't make sense.
Go back to your car.
One of our subjects is requesting a supervisor.
Okay. Give me a few minutes, all right?
Thank you.
You trying to shoot around me on Veronica Shoemaker and got mad because you couldn't run me off the road, then you weighed the police down.
Ma'am, can I have your license, please?
No, I want your supervisor.
He's on the way.
It's no crime committed. My car ain't hit, neither
All right,
is hers.
so stop and listen to me, okay? Requesting your driver's license so that I can do the crash report. If you do not give me your license, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs. She's coming out. Ma'am, step out of the car.
Yes, that's fine.
Step out.
That's fine.
Go to the front of my car.
No problem at all.
Okay.
No problem.
Go to the front of the car. Right here. Take a seat. You can give me your driver's license so I can do the crash.
Sir.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
You first and foremost. Let's be like
I'm done because you keep yelling.
No,
Turn around.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Please do. Please do.
Relax your
Please do. Please do.
All right, relax.
Please do. I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed. You just illegally pulled me out of my car. Why do you have my phone? Why?
Because you're going in the back of my car.
I'm not under arrest. That's okay.
You're being detained.
No, detained for what? Putting your hands on me and
Get in.
I'm glad that you are. Go ahead.
Get in.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Then you try to hurt my wrist. You try to hurt my wrist. I'm gonna sue the out of y'all. Such a big man. I asked you for your supervisor. You denied me your supervisor. You took my personal property. Baby, I know my rights. I'm glad you're doing this. I'm glad you're doing it. You illegally.
I explained the reason.
So if I just make up a lie. Why did you snatch her out of her car? For what? What are you getting my driver's license for?
I'm doing the crash report.
You're doing a crash report to what? What a crash?
Because they're alleging you hit her.
No.
You want to roll her window down? I'll try to talk to her.
I asked you for your supervisor, yet to see a supervisor. That's why when I got out of my car, you see what they did? Turned their head sideways and rolled up the window.
You want to step out real quick so I can fix the...
He knew exactly what the he was doing when he put him this tight. You know it's bullshit. Can you put him in the front of me?
I'll put a second pair on for you. How's that?
I'm damn near 6 foot. This is so humiliating. This is why people file reports. This is why lawsuits are made. Then you see the bitch. Look at her. You can see the fake in her eyes. You see that? You can see it.
Sit in the car.
Bitch, you see him, though. You see him. You see him. That ain't somebody that's innocent.
Listen.
That's a mother. Realistically, he's saying a police report for me hitting your car. How did I hit your car?
Let me explain, okay?
You ain't even investigate my car for 2 seconds and put me in car.
That's what we're trying to do. I'll call him again, all right?
Please, see how long your supervisor gonna be. Please.
They'll too.
I'm sitting here sweating like some type of in a car with a help. They taxes. The AC
Somebody
work.
gets started. At us and at them, okay? We're not trying to be jerks to you.
He was, not you. You got a little bit more respect. But for him to take me, slam me against the car, and somebody hit you, your first reaction would be to call 911. These people was behind me since Ortez. This dumbass girl came up. This bitch come through the roundabout, put in front of me. She tried to hit my car. I still made it through the roundabout. We come through the roundabout. And say I hit their car. That's bullshit. There should be pieces of the car and everything in the road. The speed limit 45. Make it make sense. Okay. It don't make sense.
So this is my girlfriend, Ranisha. She's on her way to come get me.
Okay.
And going to whatever happened, like I said, I don't know what happened. I guess this car claimed that she hit him and kept going.
Yep. No, I did a traffic stop on her to stop her.
Oh, okay.
So I'll stop you right there, okay? There's damage consistent with the crash, all right? She's not going to jail for the crash, and we're going to leave it at that because they don't want to press charges. They just wanted a crash report. And it's everything she did after that. That's why she's going. Okay? Wolfer.
That's fine, yeah. All right, here's your husband, okay?
It don't make sense.
So listen, he told me
5 minutes, I'll have the crash report.
What happened to the supervisor?
I called him twice.
I know, but this is what I'm trying to figure out. I'm being kidnapped back here. I asked for a supervisor, which is my right. I'm
I know, ma'am.
slamming the thing, all of this above. Because I was
You want them to wait
lied on.
then? All right. My partner actually just said hang out for a few minutes because he's finishing up the crash report now for you guys.
Okay. No, just grab it. Hurry up.
You guys are good. Excuse me. You guys are good to go. Thank you for flagging me down and getting me some work.
Thank you.
Yeah, drive safe.
Put my purse in.
I can't close the bag.
Okay, relax. That's what I'm just don't.
I got it, baby. He's not gonna take nothing from you, baby. I got it. Relax. We trying to get you out now. They want to see what's going on in the car. You ain't for the
This, you see what I mean by energy? This the energy that got projected. This what I be talking about, man. Every time. I just trying to keep that shit away from me. I hit them. They got a whole out in the tree.
We can walk up here. I gotta take a picture.
This
Carmen. Yep. You'll be able to bond her out here in a couple hours.
All right.
It's a misdemeanor. It's going to be a couple $100.
All right.
All right. Thank you for being reasonable with me, sir.
If they can't, we still gonna.
Yeah, do that, because ain't no need in them doing it. They just doing that being nasty. Damn, you're a dick. All because I asked for your supervisor. My God-given right.
She sideswiped another car in a roundabout at a low speed. And then she's acting like this. Supervisor's like, grab her, take her to the jail. And she just wouldn't listen. We were told, bring her straight here.
The date was August 15, 2025, and at exactly 10 a.m., the calm morning air in Salt Lake City, Utah was shattered by a high-tension traffic stop. Local officers were flagged down by a frantic driver who claimed she had just been the victim of a violent road rage encounter and a hit-and-run. Officers quickly pulled over the suspected vehicle. The driver, whom we will call Sandra, didn't wait for a greeting. She immediately became defensive, shouting that the other driver was a liar and that the police were wasting her time. While Sandra vehemently denied any contact between the vehicles, the alleged victim provided a terrifying account. She claimed Sandra had been swerving erratically and honking before intentionally ramming her car and attempting to flee. The victim pointed to a fresh scuff mark on her bumper as the smoking gun evidence. As the officers attempted to gather Sandra's license and registration to complete a mandatory crash report, the situation spiraled. Sandra refused to provide any identification, repeatedly screaming for a supervisor and claiming she was being harassed. Despite multiple warnings that she was legally required to identify herself during an accident investigation, her behavior only became more combative. By 10:15 a.m., the officers had reached their limit. When they moved to detain her, Sandra resisted, leading to a physical struggle near the driver's side door. Even as she was placed in handcuffs, she continued her outburst, shouting that she was being kidnapped and that her constitutional rights were being violated. The officer eventually had to explain the situation to Sandra's husband, who arrived shortly after. The message was simple. She wasn't just being investigated for a dent anymore. She was being arrested for obstruction and disorderly conduct. What could have been a routine insurance exchange ended in a trip to the county jail, proving that on the road, your attitude can be just as damaging as a collision. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.